We're doing a series covering the new S25 Ultra cases, and specifically kicking it off with the official ones. If you want to check those out, I'm going to put all of these in a playlist, so you should be able to see that. And hit the like button if this helps you. And also, I'm going to include links in the description and all that jazz. Anyway, this is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra rugged case. So there are a lot of rugged-like cases out there, or proper rugged cases, you know, from UAG. And I'm going to try have a squiz at those in my own spare time at some point. But I really know that there are a lot of people that want more official and recognized one. I think this is going to be a really simple video to make, because I don't think there's going to be a lot of people that want rugged cases that actually go for the Samsung officials, because they're getting rugged for a reason. But I must say that looks very good, and looks very sleek. Maybe you want a military grade case or whatever that is not like a huge bulky phone. It is okay. Let's just quickly check it. It is a hard case. It is a bit more bendier. It's got like a perspex side, and it's a bit thicker. It's bendier than the clear cases that have come out, and obviously the corners have their own protection. Like the other cases, like the silicon one, it's covered the SIM tray. So if you want to get access to that, you've got to take it off, and it's relatively easy to take off. Actually, a lot easier than some of the other ones. The clear cases are like nearly impossible to take off. They're very hard. The button, oh, it's not in. The button's cool. The button's actually better than like the kind suitcase. I think they click better. It looks really good, actually. It's a very elegant looking case. These corners actually look like they are very sturdy. If I press in, they are pretty good. I think this is great for people. I know this sounds strange, but like people like who are parents who might have a kid that grabs their phone and like throws it around. This might be a great case for you, because it looks relatively thin. I mean, this doesn't look like it's got a big case on it, right? Like it looks, I'm not going mad. This looks really good. And then to top things off, you have a pretty high rim cover over here. So that on the screen. So if it's lying on face first on the desk, it's never touching the desk, which is great. And then on the back, the rim protrusion goes over the cameras, which is great. And quite a lot over these ones. A little bit more than the others on this one than on the other cases, but it's covering them, so that means that even if you put your phone down, it's not going to hit the desk. The rim around the side does not protrude over this cover, so it's in the one that's not protecting it. And this is also nice, I think, for water collection, I guess, or maybe I don't know, maybe it's just a design detail. I like this texture. It feels very nice too. It's like I would probably play with this, like just like, you know, it feels a certain way. Like all the new official cases, they haven't done camera cutouts for each of these lenses, unfortunately. But I do quite like the trade-off that they have made. Having this rim around the side actually looks pretty good, and I like it gives it a bit of a statement piece. The S Pen comes out really easily too. Maybe it's mine. Okay, that's interesting. So the S Pen does pop out very easily, but it's hard because of the depth of the corner. It's hard to pull the pen out. You actually have to use the side of the pen to pull it out. That's how that works. Depending on how you use your phone, this might be something that you have to get used to. And yeah, this is going to protect your phone. I guess that was the point, right? It's a rugged case. I'm just very surprised at how small it is. In comparison to a lot of these other rugged cases. Well done, Samsung. This is a good case. I think it's really, really good. I think a lot of people are actually going to get this when previously would never have considered it. I would never have considered it, and this is something that I would consider. No magnets on the back, unlike some of the cases that they've got, which I really would have liked to have seen, but it's good. If you guys found this video helpful or enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below and give this video a like. And if you do want to pick up your own one, I've got a whole list of these, and I'm, checking out all of the cases that Samsung are dropping, and a few others. So make sure that you check out that playlist if you're looking at getting yourself a cover for your S25 Ultra. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.